Life is made up of moments. The everyday tasks we put on the calendar or check off a list. It's so easy to get caught up in the busyness of life. That's why we make time for another kind of moment. Moments we share with the people we love. We sit down together, chat together, connect and create. These aren't the kinds of moments we check off a list. Instead, we pause to live them. Choose to make your own moments. Live them. Share them. Stampin' Up! Can help make those moments even more meaningful.